there any favoritism for ladies? Like when passing there?
Are you trying to trick me? No. There are no favoritism. I've not experienced it.
Hello guys, welcome to Kweku. If today is your first time here, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the notification icon below. So today we are having the state of the tech industry. But before then, in my previous video, I shared with you Turntabl employing fresh graduates from university. The link will be under the description. You can check out and apply. Talking about that, Pycon African has just released the link to buying of their tickets, and the tickets are very affordable. They are for students and workers and those who are interested in Pycon. I'll also leave that link under the description for you to purchase a ticket and attend the program. It's very important. It will enlighten you and give you more knowledge on Pycon. Audrey, you are welcome.
Hi. Thank you. Thank you for having me.
So today we'll be talking about the tech industry in Ghana pertaining to ladies, how the tech industry here in Ghana supports you ladies, or if it doesn't support you.
No problem.
So did you school here in Ghana when growing up?
No, I didn't school here. Primary was in Gabon. So,
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So is it university that you came here?
Yeah, university.
So after university that you started schooling
Working.
here?
Yeah.
So comparing the educational system here in Ghana to that of Gabon, how will you say it in terms of tech?
That's an interesting question actually, because when I was in high school, we didn't actually have programs we didn't have people, ladies in tech coming to our schools, talking to us about tech. We didn't really have all these things. And besides, here in Ghana, you have more boarding schools system.
Yeah.
In Gabon, it's not like that. 99, if not, okay, if I'm a bit gentle, 95% of the schools, they are mixed. Yeah. So we don't have such things as girls' schools and all that. We do, but they are not as popular as the mixed ones. The first options are always the mixed ones.
Okay.
So in terms of tech, we don't really have people passing by telling us about things. That was during the time, but maybe now it has changed.
Okay.
But yeah, during that time, compared to Ghana.
Okay, so let's come back to Ghana. Now that you're in Ghana.
Yeah.
Looking at the educational system here in Ghana, does it really support ladies in tech?
Yeah. So for instance, you have a lot of programs ongoing. First of all, when you go to school, university, for instance, you have a lot of programs that are related to tech.
Yeah.
And it doesn't prevent ladies. Like all ladies are actually encouraged to apply. Go do computer engineering, computer science, IT, and all that. So very supportive. So when it comes to how do I call it, junior high, senior high schools, you have a lot of NGOs that work with these schools to actually educate girls about that. So you have the Ebri girls, they actually win a lot of competitions related to robotics. So you see stuff like that are really encouraging girls. So the educational system is doing good.
Okay, so comparing the tech industry, the educational system in the tech industry, do they give the same treatment in school that they give to guys? Do they give the same thing to girls when
they are part? Okay, so the curriculum is the same for everybody.
Yes.
Basically. So the treatment is the same because there are no curriculums for ladies and there are no curriculums for guys. When you enroll, that is it. You go through the same courses and then that's it. You graduate with the same degree.
But is there any favoritism for ladies, like when passing them?
Are you trying to trick me? No. There are no favoritism. I've not experienced it. That I was man during project.
The reason why I brought this up is if the system is the same for boys and girls, and boys come out and they are good in the field, and ladies come out and they are like dormant, a little dormant in the industry. What causes that?
So first of all, they are not dormant. Let's just say maybe they lost interest at some point. And that is totally okay. Even if you went to you enrolled in a certain course back in university, like life can change, stuff can change, and you can just lose interest.
Okay,
You
so
see,
most of the ladies lose interest. Let's take it like
I
that.
would not conclude that. I'll just say that it's something that can happen. They can just change because they want to change. Yeah.
Okay, leaving the educational system,
Mhm,
the industry itself,
mhm.
does it support? Does it give does it give room for ladies to what?
Yeah, I think they
Improve.
do. Yeah, to improve. Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So you have each company, every company now has the certain programs, or they work with other companies that specialize in ladies in tech empowerment for ladies and all that. And they actually work towards bridging the gap.
Okay.
So yeah, there's things are being things are actually done for more ladies to join tech. Yeah.
Okay. So in Ghana here, have you been discriminated before just because you're a lady in tech?
Discrimination. That's quite a powerful word. But let's just say the only limitation that you come across is it always has to do with the skills, right?
Okay.
So if you don't work on your skills,
Okay.
you're not going to make it.
Okay.
You always have to work on your skills, and it's an individual work. Like it's you as a person to just work harder to get to a level where people will not be able to say no to you.
Okay. Okay. So talking about that, mentioning about support here in the university, senior high schools and those things. Can you share some of the tech communities here in Ghana that support ladies?
Yeah, so you have developers in Vogue, you have Pi ladies. They even have a, how do I call it? Developers in Vogue even has campus ambassadors. So when you are in school, you can become their campus ambassadors. So you can just organize stuff that are pertaining to helping the other girls to join the movement and then
Okay.
becoming big. You have
So
a lot of
it's
them.
just girls movement, like
the
girls.
guys the guys help out.
Oh, okay.
If you're trying to say that
Oh no
we are
no
trying
no
to
no.
discriminate you and we don't want to do anything with you, no, 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 no. So the thing is, there is a huge gap.
Okay.
That is the reality,
Okay.
right? So these organizations are trying to break. That
That.
is their purpose.
Okay.
So nobody should see it like, oh, they don't want guys.
So
They are
like,
trying to breach a gap.
should I say they give more opportunities to the girls than the guys in the industry?
Yes, because there are not many of them.
Okay.
So the thing is, we need people to tell them to come,
Okay.
and we need ladies to tell them to come.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Your last words for our audience,
Ah.
especially the ladies, like here in Ghana and in Gabon, those watching you from
Oh well, in
Ghana.
Gabon, I hope there will be a translation. Like,
Oh, okay.
yeah, because it's French that we speak over there.
Oh, then.
No, I'm sure they will translate. They will. Don't worry.
Okay.
There will be a way for them to translate. But my last word will be that tech is good. Tech is like, there are many areas in tech.
Okay.
You don't have to be a programmer only. You can also be a UX UI designer. You can be a digital marketer. You can be a program manager. You can be a product manager. So many, so many, so many, so many things that you can become. Data analysts, security analysts. Yeah. So many.
So
Just choose and it's there.
okay, before we end the conversation, rate the support that tech gives in Ghana to ladies, rate from 1 to 10.
From 1 to 10, because there is no such thing as perfection. I would say 9.
9.
Yep.
Oh, that's really good.
See, the opportunities are there. Do you understand? The
Okay.
thing is, um, the one of the reasons why there are not many ladies, let's just say, in a company, there are not many ladies in tech. The simple reason, the first reason that comes to mind is that there are not many of them applying.
Okay.
Many should just apply, and that should be it.
Okay.
But at the same time, you can't force people to have the same interest as you. That's okay. So, yeah, that's okay.
Okay. Before we end the conversation, there is this argument going on.
Mm-hmm.
iPhone
Oh,
and Android. Which one will you go for?
I've had some updates now, so I'll go for iPhone.
iPhone. Thank you. Your social media handles.
So you can reach out to me on LinkedIn via Audrey that's my name, and on Twitter via Lamens. That's my handle.
Thank you. This has been another amazing episode of State of the Tech Industry here in Ghana. Please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the notification icon. Share this video for someone to also hear about Kweku Tech. Peace.
Thank you for having me. Bye.